and we need to play catch up.
We have finally found the flat that we're going to stay here in London.
But on that note, I would like to show you the view from here. That is the view from where I am placed at right now. Bright sunny day over here. Beautiful my view is. I think I'm looking very cute right now. More than excited to just do a small photo shoot. Not spending much time on it, just like 5 minutes of it. Ready to do this photo shoot. Done clicking those pictures. Honestly, I've added a lot of extra things to my task list, and clicking pictures was not the part of my task list. Should get to work, apart from the fact that I have done tasks that were not even a part of my list. So anyway, I have a time block for 1.5 hours where I have to sit and script for a video. The amount of time I have to pee because of the amount of time I'm drinking water. I'm not even kidding you guys, it is hilarious. It's getting real.
Camera. This is my day 1 for the 75 hard challenge. I'm having a late lunch, so I made it.
Yeah, that's me. Fingers crossed. So my lunch is ready. So I'm gonna quickly eat my food. This is good actually. Quickly finish my lunch. See you on the other side. Fast forwarding my 75 hard challenge. Honestly, today I am very tired because I'm also in my luteal phase and I just don't feel like doing anything. My house right now, I shall show you, it is a mess. My phone is cluttered, my laptop is cluttered, everything is cluttered. All the footage that I've taken in the last few days, no idea whatsoever what is going on everywhere. 30 minutes of time to figure out my shit with the house, and then I will go on to doing my digital stuff. Ta-da! My bed is all made. I feel like once your bed is made, half of your problems are solved. And now I am headed out for a walk. This is my first workout of the day and the time is already 2 o'clock. So you won't believe what just happened to me. Today I was all about feeling low and dull and all of that. Like, oh my god, I need to do 2 workouts for, 75 hard and everything. This walk, I explored such beautiful area. I wouldn't have otherwise done. The thing that I was dreading the most, that I was feeling the worst about, has actually made me feel so good. Problem is I didn't carry my vlogging camera, so I haven't taken any footage of the area, but it was so fab. I'm definitely going to go tomorrow again. Now I'm going to quickly make myself some light lunch because I don't know then how am I going to do the second workout then. I think this camera angle is really weird. Anyway, so I am meal prepping for the first time here and let's see how it goes. Setting 2 hours for cooking and cleaning everything. Also shooting meal prepping for the first time. I'm not sure if it's going to be a very aesthetic one or very good looking or a well explained video. But I thought I might as well just give it a try because I am anyway doing all the work. I don't want to spend more time on this because honestly my whole day has just gone in housekeeping and doing small things in the house, and that's the reason I have planned to actually do this whole prep. The next 2-3 days I will not have to worry so much. By the way, you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do, because coming up next is designing your dream life for 2025, goal setting, making the vision board and all of that jazz. And as you guys know, I like to make my videos with practical, actionable steps that can help you live your best life. We are all about self-love, self-care, productivity, glam and all of that good stuff, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm here making the carrot cake. This is all the carrot I have in the house, so I'll have to kind of make do with this. The recipe actually calls for applesauce, but I don't have applesauce, so I'm going to just use an apple and crush it together with the carrot. I'm not grating them, and I hope the recipe comes out right. We'll have to make it work because I don't feel like grating with this thumb, so we'll see. officially in the oven baking. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, it's ready. Hey you guys, so as promised, I have a review for you guys about the 75 hard challenge. It's been quite a few times that I have been doing this challenge, almost a month, and I feel like a new person. Let me just start with all the benefits. The number one benefit that I feel that this challenge has is healthy eating. I have started making healthy food choices like using a cooking spray. I have started to watch my calories. I made sure that I'm adding more salad to my food, and I have been incorporating a lot of protein in my diet. Number two, increased water intake. Let me tell you, it's very cold in London and I was not able to get more than 2 liters of water every day. And because of this challenge, I started drinking 3 liters of water, which I think is commendable, a habit down the bucket. Reading, which was once so daunting to me, now I enjoy the whole process and it has become so rewarding for me. I have finished books that I always wanted to read, and I have a few more books that I want to start reading and I can't wait to start them. 75 Hard Challenge was the much needed reset that I needed in my life after moving from India to London. It helped me regain my control over my health and my fitness goals, bringing structure to my daily life routine. Even on a tough day, I make it a point to show for myself, and this is the habit that I will want to retain, and I get back on track even if there is a gap of a day or two. Now, these habits are going to be my foundation to achieve my long-term goals. This challenge has given me not one, not two, but 5 things to be grateful for. Something that I would cherish all my life. By the way, guys, I'm sitting with my matcha. What is your favorite drink to sit with and chat with? By the way, I have another important update. I am quitting the 75 Hard Challenge, and here is why. So back when I started the 75 Hard Challenge, my whole focus was kind of to get back on track. And soon after starting the challenge, I realized the focus of the challenge was completely on health and fitness goals. And that quite didn't align with my broader life goals, specifically career goals. Time constraint was the issue. I started feeling like I had no time to do anything else in life. 2 workouts daily, and one of which was supposed to be outdoor. London being so cold, I couldn't really get myself to go outside and do the workout. Girl, I'm used to 34-35 degrees on a daily basis. Back in Mumbai, coming down to 5 degrees, that is a mental change. And honestly, the time spent preparing for the workout and completing it was close enough to 2 hours. It was leaving me very little time to do any other tasks in the day. Having moved from India to London, I have to now handle everything on my own, like including cleaning, cooking, getting my own groceries, in fact even billing my own groceries, my own schedule and commitments that I have from life. Balancing these new responsibilities got really hard with this challenge. I wasn't feeling as good as I imagined I would feel. As I moved forward in this challenge, I realized that my priorities kind of need to change merely from finishing all the rules of the challenge to doing other things in life, things that I really want to do in life, kind of balance it all. The main idea was actually to try to build sustainable habits that align with my goals, current life changes. So while I'm not continuing the 75 Hard Challenge anymore, I'm planning to take forward a lot of good habits that I built up from the challenge, during the challenge, and small things that I learned during the challenge. I would make sure that I do regular workouts, hydration, reading, and even eating healthy most of the times, but with a more balanced approach that suits my life. I mean, don't get me wrong. As a newcomer to London, I want to enjoy my life. I want to do what the moment calls for. I want to savor the food that I want to eat that makes me happy at that particular time, and balance it out by eating healthy 90% of the times. Leading a fit lifestyle is still my priority. My goal is to really improve 1% each day to live the best version of myself without the stress that comes with following all the rules of the challenge. I hope you guys like the vlog. If you're watching the vlog so far, make sure you comment down below with the heart emoji. I would love to see some love from you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell icon so that you get updates every time I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Mwah.